guys, Cyprian Francis here, and welcome back to another video tutorial. In today's video, we're going to talk about when is the best time to tweet. And what's cool is that Twitter just came out with an update to their insights that will specifically tell you, your account, when is the best time to tweet, to publish tweets that encourages engagement and reach and likes. And so this is going to be different for everybody's account, but it's real simple to figure out, and I'm going to show you how. First, you need to log into your Twitter account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and hit your profile icon and scroll down to Media Studio. Go ahead and click that. Once you're in the Media Studio, you will see the Analytics section, highlighted new, and then you scroll down to Insights. Once you're in Insights, you will see the best time to publish your tweets. So based on my data, the best time for me to publish my tweets are on Mondays between 11 and 3 p.m. Probably could do that Monday through Thursday, and then in the evenings a little bit. Saturdays are completely dry, and so use this data to publish or organize your calendar, your social media calendar, as best as you can, and do what you need to do to boost the likelihood of further engagement. Alright, I hope this helped. Good luck, everyone.